Hello, grade 4 students. How are you today? I hope every one of you are doing good. Are you ready for our social studies? All right, let's start. Let's read your vocabulary words. Repeat after me 2 times. Value, value. Income, income. Defect, defect. Advertising, advertising. Propaganda, propaganda. Now, let's proceed to our discussion. And our topic is goods and services. You can open your book on page 48 of your social book. Here are the points to discuss. Number 1, what are called goods? Number 2, what are called services? Number 3, what are the factors that influence our choice when buying goods and services? Let's proceed to our discussion. We satisfy our needs and wants by buying goods and services. A need is something that you have to have. A want is something that you would like to have. Alright, students, take note with the difference of need and want. So I want you to get your pencil and underline these important things on your book. A need is something that you have to have. A want is something that you would like to have. Please underline these words. Now, let's find out what's the difference between goods and services. So goods are items you can see and touch, such as a book, a pen, salt, shoes, hats, a folder, etc. While services are provided for you by other people, such as a doctor, a lawn mower worker, a dentist, a hairdresser, or a restaurant server. So these are the difference between goods and services. Again, students, please underline the important words in your book. Goods, see and touch, a book, a pen, salt, shoes, hats, a folder. Then, services, such as a doctor, a lawn mower worker, a dentist, a hairdresser, or a restaurant server. Please underline these words. So what are the factors that affects our choice when buying goods or services? Okay, listen carefully. There are many factors that influence our choice when buying goods or services. One is income. Consumers who have large income have a greater ability to buy goods and services than those with low income. So that's one of the effect or influence when buying goods or services. So now students, I want you to underline these important notes on your book. Factors that influence our choice, buying goods or services. Then income. Then underline consumers. Underline greater ability to buy goods and services. Then we have number 2, satisfaction. It's the feeling that a consumer has after the purchase of goods and services. And number 3, price. Price is the cost paid by the consumer for goods or services. So please underline on your book the word satisfaction. Underline feeling that a consumer has after the purchase of goods and services. And then on number 3, underline price. Cost paid by the consumer for goods or services. Alright, students? Number 4, advertising. Advertising is a form of communication used to encourage or persuade a consumer to take actions in purchasing the advertiser's goods or services. Okay, students, underline advertising. Underline a form of communication used to encourage or persuade a consumer. Then, number 5, the quality of goods and services. Consumers will choose to buy goods and services of good quality which are worth their money. Underline the word the quality of goods and services. Underline good quality which are worth their money. Alright, students? Now, let's do your activity. Fill in the blanks. Write your name, your number, and the subject, social studies. The number 1 to 5. Alright, students, are you ready? Let's start. Fill the missing words. Number 1. Blank is the cost paid by the consumer for goods or services. Number 2. Blank is a form of communication used to encourage or persuade a consumer. Number 3. Blank are items you can see and touch. Number 4. Blank is something you would like to have. And number 5. Blank are provided by other people such as doctor, a dentist, or a restaurant server. Students, choose your answer in the word bank. Services, want, goods, advertising, price. I'll give you 10 minutes to answer. Time is up. Now, let's check your answers. Number 1. Price. Number 2. Advertising. Number 3. Goods. Number 4. Want. And number 5. Services. Alright, students, check your answers. This is the end of our discussion. I hope you learned something today about goods and services. Thank you for your cooperation and participation. Students, keep learning, keep healthy, keep safe. Till the next time, goodbye.